I'm Jayla E. Welcome back to my channel, and I have an eyebrow tutorial for you today. I'm going to start with some e.l.f. eyebrow wax and a spoolie to keep my hairs in place. And today I'm using the Morphe eye pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse. It has a nice brown undertint to it because black pencils are too harsh for my skin. And so firstly, I'm going to start off by lining my eyebrow. I'm going to start in the middle and work my way forward. And I'm going to get the line as close to my eyebrow as possible, but I'm not going to get all the way there because I want to have room to fill it in. Okay, y'all, and now that I finished outlining my eyebrow, I'm gonna go in the middle and start fluffing in the color. I'm just using light strokes to fill it in. You don't want it to be too harsh to where it look like a big fake block on your face. I'm gonna go ahead to the middle and just feather out my eyebrows to give it a more natural look. I'm gonna go ahead on the top just lightly and just fill in some more color there. And now I'm taking a spoolie and brushing in that color. Another tip to make sure it's not too harsh. I'm gonna go back in and fill in where I need to fill in, just to make sure there's no gaps or unwanted gaps. Now I'm taking Makeup Revolution F13 and the flat brush from Morphe. I'm just lining my eyebrows really lightly, just to make them look a little bit more sharper and like they are on my natural face. And you see I get very soft around my edges. Not my edges, the end of my eyebrow. And I just pull it away from my face. I don't just do a big line across it, I pull it away from my face. And I use the one that matches my skin tone because using lighter ones, it just don't look as natural to me. Okay, and now we just about to blend it out with this beauty blender, and we just gonna keep it pushing from here. You can use your finger or a beauty blender or a brush, but I like to use a beauty blender just because I think brushes leave strokes around my eyebrows, and I want them to look as natural as possible, especially when I'm not wearing no makeup. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. I'm Jayla E. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button. Bye.